Welcome to all. I am Surikant Tarate, Assistant Professor, Shankar College of Agriculture, Engineering and Technology, Mirasgaon. Now we will see about the short-term runoff harvesting techniques. The first short-term runoff harvesting technique is the contour bunds. This method involves the construction of bunds on the contour of the catchment area. The contour line is a line which passes through the same elevation points is called as the contour line. So the bunds which are constructed over this contour along this contour is called as the contour bunds. These bunds hold the flowing surface runoff in the area located between two adjacent bunds. The height of contour bund generally ranges from zero point 0.3 to 1 meter and length from 10 to few hundred meters. The side slope of the bund should be as per the requirement. The height of bund determines storage capacity of the upstream area. Here you can see the figure of contour bunds. The water is impounded at the upstream side of the bund, and in this way the runoff water is collected or harvested at the upstream area of the bund, and hence the water will have enough opportunity to infiltrate downward, so aquifer can be recharged by using these short-term runoff harvesting techniques, that is contour bunds. The next short-term runoff harvesting technique is the graded bund. The graded bunds, also referred as off-contour bunds, they consist of earthen or stone embankments and are constructed on a land with a slope range of 0.5 to 2%. The design and construction of graded bunds are different from the contour bunds. They are used as an option where rainfall intensity and soils are such that the runoff water discharge from the field can be easily intercepted. Excess intercepted or harvested water is diverted to the next field through a channel. Ranges The height of the graded bund ranges from 0.3 to 0.6 meter. This type of bunds for water harvesting is generally used for irrigating the crops. So here the graded bunds are also used for runoff water harvesting. The name graded itself indicates that the bunds which have the provision of some grade, the purpose is to safely bypass additional runoff from the area. The third short-term runoff harvesting technique is the rock catchment. The rock catchments are the exposed rock surface used for collecting the runoff water in a parked and depressed area. The water harvesting under this method can be explained as when rainfall occurs on the exposed rock surface, runoff takes place very rapidly because there is a very little loss. The runoff so formed is drained towards the lowest point or storage tank and the harvested water is stored there. The area of rock catchment may vary from 100 meters square to few thousand meters square. Accordingly, the dimensions of the storage tank should be designed. The water collected in the tank can be used for domestic or irrigation purpose. The next short-term runoff harvesting technique is the ground catchment. In this method, a large area of ground is used as catchment for runoff yield. The runoff is diverted into a storage tank where it is stored. The ground is cleared from vegetation and compacted very well. The channels are as well compacted to reduce seepage or percolation loss, and sometimes they are also covered with gravel. Ground catchments are also called roaded catchment. The process is also called as runoff inducement. The last technique of short-term runoff harvesting is the terraces. A terrace is an earthen embankment constructed across the slope to control runoff and minimize soil erosion. A terrace acts as an intercept to land slope. and divide the soaping lands into number of strips. So in these different strips, the water can be collected or stored. The purpose is to infiltrate this collected water. So these are the different short-term runoff harvesting techniques which are used to infiltrate the water or to recharge the groundwater aquifer.